Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get saturated film filter on TikTok. Okay, so for that you need to go to photo mode. Okay, you need to take a picture. Okay, then on the right you will see this filter button. From the bottom, the second one, tap on it. Okay, now on the top, scroll until you see film. Okay, then here the fourth one, it's saturated film filter. Okay, that's it. You can hit next and you can share it to your TikTok. So that's it guys, it's pretty easy. Likewise, you can get the saturated film filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.